Non-bleached hair, I don't care because these products welcome back to my channel. And whoa, yikes.
No.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rickens, aka Rickens. And today I'm going to be doing an Uberliss wash day. So if you saw my previous Uberliss video, that product is fire. The Bond Sustainer, fire. So I went to their website and I was like, you know what, let me just see what else they have. So they have a shampoo, they have a bond regenerator and a conditioner as well. Alone in their like regular sizes, they're very expensive. They're extremely expensive. I was like,
No.
whoa. But they do sell like a sample kit of all of them. And I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna get it. I think it was $60 if I'm not mistaken for all four. And I was like, yeah, let's do that. Let's do that because
No.
so actually let me get them. So perusing Uberliss's website, it's very clear that it is meant for people who want to bleach their hair, dye their hair, etc., etc. I am not going to do that, obviously. Their whole marketing thing is rebuilding your bonds, right? So it's very similar to like an Olaplex, right? So I'm going to show you, they have 4 products and there's a step system. This is the Bond Regenerator. Right here is very liquidy. I don't know if y'all can see that. I guess you can. Yeah, you can. It's very liquidy. And then step 2 is the shampoo. Step 3 is the Bond Amplifier, which is their conditioner. And then I guess this is technically not a step. This is more to maintain your hair after you've bleached it and dyed it and all that stuff. So this is the Bond Sustainer, what I used last time. So what I'm going to do is so the Bond Regenerator comes with a little cup. I think this is 1/8 of an ounce. And basically, essentially, I think when you're dyeing your hair, you put 1/8 of this in your bleach or developer, and then that's gonna help. It's kind of gonna help it's gonna keep the bleach from destroying your hair as much as possible. You know what I mean? So I am gonna use this and alright, so because I don't use regular conditioners anymore, I'm going to combine the Bond Amplifier, which is the number 3 in this step, and then the number 1, which is the liquid version. So I'm gonna put both of these in like in a bowl, and I'm just gonna mix them up. And then I'm gonna use these to pre-poo my hair, and then I'm gonna shampoo, and then I'm gonna use the Bond Amplifier, the Bond Sustainer as my deep conditioner. Yeah. All right, so I'll be back in a second. All right, so I'm at the front of my head now. And I'm almost done. Y'all, I went through the conditioner. I did. But this is the consistency of what it looks like. It honestly, it looks just like the Sustainer. Yeah. very like milky and tacky. I hope I have enough. It's giving a little something. Got me some plump and shiny twists. So I'm gonna leave this in my hair for like 20 minutes, maybe 10. I don't really need to keep this in my hair for really long, especially because I'm going to be using the bun sustainer. So I'm going to clean up and then I'm gonna go hop in the shower. Okay, so one thing that I've noticed so far, I'm about to rinse out the first part, whatever. My twists are huge. Like, they're like really plump and fat, and I'm obsessed with that right now. So I'm excited to rinse it out. I'll be right back. My hair is so soft and smooth. And just look at it. Like, my hair looks great. I'm sorry for the weird angles, y'all. But yeah, no. My hair feels incredible. I didn't even keep it in my hair for that long either. Yeah, my hair looks so good. It's so dark and shiny, bro. I'm gonna go with this shampoo. It smells good. It smells really good, actually. So this is what the consistency looks like. It's clear. It's very light. We love a lather, as always, period. Y'all. Yeah. Okay, so the shampoo, right? The shampoo is clarifying, for sure. Like, when I was rinsing it out, I was like, okay, this is giving squeaky, but my hair is still extremely soft. But y'all, my hair, I really hope this gets picked up because my hair looks so freaking good. My hair looks like I tried to do like a wash and go with a cream or something. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I have so much definition in my hair. Let me shake one more time. Actually, do I need to shake? I don't know. I feel like I don't need to. I feel like it's obvious. Like, you can see it. Like, my hair is like defined. Like, my hair is like defined. Like, I'm a very big fan of this company. I'm a very big fan of this company so far. And like, these products are not meant for, technically, I don't need to use these products. They're meant for people who like dye their hair. But like, if I'm getting these results, like if you, I feel like if you use these products like once a month, like, look at that, bro. Like, do you see my ends? Do you see my ends? And I didn't even use the bond sustainer. Like, I didn't even use the bond sustainer yet. Like, hold on. I'm just gonna keep showing you my hair because I need you to be as obsessed with it as I am, because my hair looks so good. I have my old bond sustainer that I didn't finish yet. So here's the thing, right? This, I'm not sure how moisturizing it is. It's definitely gonna be strengthening. So I'm like, do I mix this with something that's more moisturizing because I'm gonna blow out my hair? don't know. Probably not. I think I'll be right. What's in this? What else is in this? Oh, there's aloe and stuff in it. Oh, actually, you know what? I'm fine. Never mind. Aloe, coconut oil, water. Okay, oh, there's shea butter in this. And mango. Oh, I'm good. Never mind. Never mind. So, y'all have already seen me apply this, so I'm just gonna come back after everything is done, and then I'll be giving my final thoughts. Yeah. My hair feels so good. Like, as I was rinsing out the Bond Sustainer, my hair was just so small, so soft and silky and smooth, and just, I have absolutely nothing negative to say about these products at all. Literally at all. So let me do an overview of all the products. I don't think I actually like read anything about the products. So let me I'll be right back. Okay, so the box says, oh, this is the box that they all came in. This is the whole like Bond treatment system. So the box says, Uber strength for your client's hair each and every time. The next generation of Bond power is here. The Uberliss Bond treatment features the Bond Regenerator, the Bond Shampoo, the Bond Amplifier, and the Bond Sustainer. The system works together to regenerate broken bonds during color processing and lightening. Retain 98% of fiber elasticity strength when using with 40 volume developer and powder lightener. So yeah, this is meant for people with colored hair or people who are like about to bleach their hair, but I don't care. Non-bleached hair, I don't care, because these products. Okay, so first we have, again, the Bond Regenerator. It's very liquidy, it's very milky. So this would be the item that you would, so okay, on the instructions for if you are like bleaching your hair, you basically use this and you fill this up. You fill this up and then dump it into your bleach or your developer, and that's supposed to protect your hair for the most part from the bleach and the lightener. But instead, because I don't do that, I just use that as a pre-poo with the conditioner because I don't use rinse out conditioners like that. Starting with this almost kind of made my hair feel like I used the Bond Sustainer when I used it with the conditioner. It kind of, they all have the same ingredients in them, they just have like different quantities of each. This is the most potent of them all. This is why you put it in your bleach. But yeah, my hair, I was nervous at first because when I started rinsing this out, my hair felt like dry at first, but like as I kept rinsing out my hair, I was like, oh, no. Never mind, my hair feels great. Again, the same kind of with the shampoo. And what does it say? It just says there should be ample amount through wet hair, work up a rich lather, and then rinse thoroughly, and then proceed with the conditioner. So with the shampoo, I love this shampoo. The lather, fire. It cleanses your hair, but it doesn't strip your hair, which I love. And then the same thing, like as I was rinsing it, I was like, I don't know. But after you let your hair like just get used to like being hair again, like my hair was so soft. I was like, this, great start. And then the Bond Sustainer, I've already used it and I love it, and I still love it. I left it on longer this time. Last time I left it in for like maybe 30 minutes to like 30 to 45 minutes while I was eating. This time I kept it in for like an hour and a half, and like my hair feels amazing, y'all. Like, it feels good, it looks good. Like my hair has looked incredible from start to finish. Like my hair is dark, shiny, soft, it's moisturized. Like, I truly genuinely have nothing but good words for this brand. Like, this brand is amazing. Like, and if I once I get to the point where like I want to dye my hair, I'm absolutely going to this first. And I think, honestly, I think that compared to Olaplex, I think the system is similar. However, I think that these work faster, in my opinion. I think that these work faster and they're cheaper since you can get the little 4-pack at $60 as opposed to how much you would have to pay to get a full line of Olaplex. And yeah, to me it works faster. I see faster results. Because I don't use this all the time. I use this like a month. I used the Bond Sustainer like a month ago, maybe more, probably more actually, because I've been waiting to use this line for a while. But like, you see it on my face. You see it on my face. Like, I'm so happy. Like, I'm genuinely really happy. Yeah, that's the end of my review. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.